Hello, this is part 9, Grenade Radial Damage. In this video, I'm going to create a grenade launcher or a projectile gun. And to do that, I created this gun called BPFP gun. On player character, I added this code that switches to the new gun. Now there's a total of 3 guns, 1, 2, and 3. I added this code, which is the firing mechanism for the new gun. On first-person projectile, I added this code that handles the explosion and applies the radial damage. Under Content, third-person sheet, Weapons, right-click, BP base gun, create child blueprint class. I'm going to name this BP FP gun. Double-click BP FP gun. Go to first person, FP weapon, mesh, drag SK, FP gun, skeletal mesh here. Now go to first person BP blueprint. Double click first person character, expand this, highlight spear and copy that, go back to BP FP gun, highlight this and paste. Now drag the spear under the SK FP gun, compile and save. Double click BP FP gun, go to viewport, highlight spear, change this to 1 and this to 5, zoom in and make sure that the spear is centered at the tip of the gun. This one looks like it's positioned okay. So I don't need to adjust this. When you're done, compile and save. Double click FP gun. Assign gun ID to 3. Compile and save. Double click FP gun, highlight SK FP gun. On rotation for Z, enter -10. And compile and save. Under Content, third-party sheet, double-click player character, add a variable, I'm going to name this gun offset and type vector, compile, and on the default enter 100, 0, it's already 0, and minus 10. And compile and save. Double click player character. On the gun switching, I added this blueprint here. The other blueprints are the same, but I changed the wiring here. So just note that 0 goes to here, 1 goes to down here, and 2 goes to the middle one. So I'm only going to show the new blueprint on the bottom here. This is BP FP gun. And this is grip point, snap the target, snap the target, snap the target, just like the other ones. When you're done, compile and save. Double click player character and go to first person BP blueprints and double click first person character. Now expand this. Now highlight the spawn projectiles section and copy. Then go back to player character and paste. So I'm going to show how to make modifications to this and connect it to here. Gun holder, you can drag from here. This cast to BP FP gun, you have to convert that to a pure cast. This says convert to impure cast because I already converted it. Then drag spear to where this was connected. Down here is player camera. You can drag that from here. Connect that to where this was connected. Mesh. Drag that down to here where this was connected. Input action fire. You can delete that. Montage to play. Change that to fire rifle hip. You can connect this to here. Create these new nodes, assign this 3. Gun ID is connected to the input here. Then drag off the middle one. And connect it here. And when you're done, compile and save. Under Content, First Person BP, Blueprints, double-click First Person Projectile. These 3 nodes were added. I'll show what those are, and then I'll show how to connect them. This is Blueprint Effect Explosion. This is base damage 100, damage radius 100, damage type class, damage type. Okay, connect hit location to here and hit location to here. Drag off false to here. Drag the output of here to here. And drag the output of here to here. When you're done, compile and save. Double-click First Person Projectile. Highlight Collision Component. Expand Collision Preset. Change Pawn to Block. Compile and save. Oh, press play to test. I will switch to the grenade launcher or the projectile gun.
Ow, ow. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, ow. Ow, ow, ow. Ow, ow, ow.
So everything seems to be working the way it should.
Ow, 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 ow.